Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you returning, thank you so much for coming back. For those of you who might be new here, welcome. I'm a working mom of 4 young kids and like to make videos on beauty, fashion, and a mommy lifestyle. So if that sounds interesting to you, please consider checking out my other videos linked down below and consider subscribing as well. So for today's video, I want to do a real quick Ipsy unboxing, and this is for the month of May. And as you've probably seen in my other Ipsy videos, I have been a subscriber to the Ipsy service for quite some time now and really look forward to getting their monthly glam bags. So my glam bag for May recently arrived in this beautiful pink bag, and I'm excited to share with you guys what I got. Again, I have not really looked at any of their mailers, including their emails with the spoilers of what's in here, so I want to be totally surprised as I unbag it for you all today. So let's go ahead and just get started. So let's see what this month's bag looks like. And looks like I already know the first product here. Sometimes if brushes such as this don't fit quite inside of the bag, they will ship them separately, as you can see here. So we'll get into that in a minute. But first, this bag is really gorgeous this month. It's a beautiful glittery bag, as you can see here. And it has a nice little faux leather tassel as well. The zipper is really smooth, and the inside lining is this gorgeous pop of color as well. So as I've said in other Ipsy videos, I really love the subscription service, largely because of the really cute cosmetic bags they send every month, and I'm really a sucker for packaging, so this is just gorgeous. I will say it seems that the glitter does rub off a little bit onto my hands, so I have to be a little bit careful where I put this bag. But I absolutely love it this month. Really pretty. Kind of a rose gold glitter bag. So inside of the bag, they have their little pamphlet here for May, just kind of telling you about some of their promotional products they have. And the first item, as you already saw, looks like it is one of these eyeshadow brushes. It's the FARAH brand, or Farah brand. It's the 22E Shade and Blend brush. So it looks like it'll be a nice one to use. And let's feel how the bristles feel. Really nice and soft as expected. So it's a two-ended brush here. And because of Ipsy, I really don't purchase brushes anymore. I do get them periodically in my bags, and I've just been using the ones that I get. So I'm excited to add this one to my brush collection and check it out. See what the next item is. Looks like a hand cream, coconut milk hand cream made in France. It's La Chatelaine. Tried to pronounce that as best as I could. Looks like it's a nice coconut milk hand cream, and I will open this up to try it out. It's a 0.5 fluid ounce, so relatively small size, but perfect I think for the purse. And I just love hand creams. My hands get really dry just with all the hand washing, as I've talked about in other videos. You can see the texture here. It's pretty thick, like a lot of hand creams are. This is going to be a nice one to use. It's just very lightly scented, which is perfect for my day-to-day. So I think that'll be a nice addition to my hand cream collection. And then the third product, see, looks like another lip product. Preventative Measures 101 After Hours Lip Balm with Moisture Release Technology, Hemp Infused, Mint Flavor. See that there? We'll try this out for you too. Try to just put it on over my lipstick. It's nice little subtle minty flavor. And it feels like a lip balm. I'm not sure if it's going to be anything too exciting beyond other lip balms, but I'll have to give it a go over the next month. And a nice little product. And then two more products here. So the next thing is this, let's see, a Pixie product. I do like Pixie products. You can find them in various drugstores, including at Target, where I often find my Pixie products. Let me just open this up. Not sure what this is. Looks like an eye pencil though, or an eyeliner. This is packaged really, really well. And it's the Endless Silky Eye Pen by Pixie. So it looks like a silky eyeliner. Oh, it is very silky. And the color I got is this copperish type of shimmery shade, as you can see here. So I do like these type of lighter brown coppery shades on the lower lid, so I probably will use it like that. But it did go on very, very smoothly. It has a metallic tint as well, which I think is really pretty, and will add some highlight to under my eye. So I'm probably going to use it in that way, but this is a nice little Pixie eyeliner. And then just one final product in this bag here, and you take it out of its bubble wrap. It's the Orza Beauty Nude Shimmer and Contour Eyeshadow Palette. Let's open it up here for you. And it looks like there are 4 shades here. There is some fallout, but these are the shades. So I love nudes, and that seems to be what this palette's all about. So I'll swatch a couple of them for you. There's a pretty copper shade, a rose gold shade, and then a nude matte shade as well. It seems like they swatch okay, not the most pigmented, but I did very light swatches there. So you can see there's a combination of one matte shade and other ones are the shimmers. But I love how it's a nude palette, so I definitely can use this, especially in the summer months. I don't want too heavy of an eye look, so I think that the nude shades are going to work really well. And look, they actually match the eyeliner pretty well. I don't know if they planned that out, but looks like they match perfectly. So I'll be looking forward to trying these things out. And that's the end of it. Those are all 5 products for this month. I know this is just a quick video, but I thought you might be interested in seeing what kind of things I got in my bag, since everybody's bags, of course, are different. They're supposed to be curated to your liking, or products that you enjoy based on your profile. So I'm sure all of you got different items, so it's kind of fun to see what other people get. If you have any questions about Ipsy or any of these products, please leave them in the comments down below and let me know what your favorites are from this month in your Ipsy bags. And if you like this video, please don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel below. Otherwise, I'll plan to go ahead and see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!